Some cricket now. The West Indies suffered their second heaviest defeat in T20 internationals as they went down by 90 runs in the second match of their three-match series against New Zealand to surrender the series with a match still to go.
The West Indies were in the field first once again, but unlike Game 1, they had early success with Obed McCoy deceiving Martin Guptill for 20 and 31 for 1. That was followed by the removal of the Kiwis key man in Captain Kane Williamson for 4, and McCoy had 2, while the visitors slipped to 36 for 2. From there, it was a Glenn Phillips show as he shared in 2 half-century partnerships. First, a 71-run stand with Devon Conway, who made 42 from 34 and had a particular liking for spinner Hayden Walsh. But Phillips showed his familiarity with the Sabina Park strip and crashed the bowlers into and over the boundary 10 times combined. 6 sixes and 4 fours in his 41-ball 76. Daryl Mitchell punctuated the innings in the 83-run fourth-wicket stand with 48 from 29 balls. The Kiwis finishing up on an imposing 215 for 5. McCoy 3 for 40, the pick of the bowlers. It was a new day, but same old demise for the Windies in their chase as a steady diet of spin choked the batsmen. Shamar Brooks 7, Kyle Mears 4, Nicholas Puran 1 and Devon Thomas 1, all falling within the power play as they limped to 19 for 4. By that time, the Windies faced more dot deliveries than the entire Kiwi innings, and when Shimron Hetmeyer was acrobatically run out by Kane Williamson, the sprinkling of fans at Sabina Park were about to beat the evening traffic. The innings eventually laboured to 125 for 9, with last man Obed McCoy standing tall with 23 not out. Spinners Mitchell Santner and Michael Bracewell claimed 3 for 15 apiece. This was New Zealand's first T20 series win in the Caribbean, and Captain Nicholas Puran took full responsibility.
Again, it's all about players putting their hands up. I for one, haven't scored the runs I would have wanted to score in their series and this series so far. Obviously, I had a really good year in T20 cricket so far. I know I've been disappointed for myself and my teammates so far, and that's one of the reasons why we haven't been scoring runs as well.
Yeah, I think as a side we adjusted to the conditions really well, and the intent that the guys came out with the bat, some really valuable partnerships. We had to navigate a little bit of a tricky period, and then the guys really played beautifully in that second half of that innings to get us a very good total. And I thought the execution with the ball, was fantastic throughout. So an all-round performance, which was great.
The third and final match takes place on Sunday at Sabina Park. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.